What's going on, guys? Making an update video here today. It's been a while since I've given you guys any contact. Just doing a cold start on the hatch. As you can see, some snow here in Buffalo, so haven't made much progress on the coupe project. Missing the T-bracket, and still got to wire up that harness and plug and play with a couple small things from there. But today, with the warmer weather, have a V16 in that currently stock, making about 250 on 6 pound boost. So here's next year's setup. Got a stock block right now, V16A. Got some JE pistons in an Aries pistons box. Brand new, about 10.5 to 1 compression. Got some Manly rods upstairs, and I got this GSR head. Gonna do a poor man's Type R build, reverse, full pistons and rods. Head package. Got the Aerobrock JG intake manifold. So today is pretty much just going to be disassembling this block and getting it ready to install the forged internals and get it ready to be painted and so forth. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to disassemble this block, get these old pistons and rods out of here. I was going to take off this coolant tube and water neck assembly, but this top bolt doesn't want to come out and I don't want to strip it, so I'm just going to leave it alone, leave it in there, clean it up the best I can with it on. I get this super heavy degreaser from a local place called Harbor Freight by me. Just put it in a squirt bottle, and just because I want to get a lot of this penetrated and I want to give it time to sit while I'm disassembling this motor, I'm just going to go ahead and spray it all up now. Really let it sit on there before I start to scrub it, because this stuff really works awesome. So you just layer it. I squirt the shit out of this, and I squirt the whole block. It's just gonna get power washed and machine shopped after this, so it's no big deal. I do my own cleaning. I'm not gonna pay the machine shop $300 to do that. But it comes out just as good when I do it. So I'm gonna get this soaked up right here, and we'll make another quick update once we get the pistons and rods out. Alright guys, so I got the whole block stripped down, left the oil squares in, put the caps back on. The guy who I bought this block from said that it was a good block. Well, getting into it, some of these bearings are looking pretty ugly. This one has like a rotted pit to it. Yeah, it's fucking horrible. And then there's another one over here that looks like a fucking sandwich. It's fucking poking out on the ends. See how much fatter that is than the other ones. There's a focus in here. Come on. There we go. Yeah, squished it. I got the coke or the crank soaking. I don't think the crank is good, but I'm still gonna clean it up and take it to the machine shop, see if they can help me in any sort of way. If not, I'll have to find a new one, but still got to clean the block and this crank. Those pistons and rods, I'm sure the pistons are obviously good. I'm not sure about the rods, but I don't need those because I'm going forged. So just gonna let this soak for now, get some scrubbing done, and then make a video after I get it all power washed down. So stay tuned.